The And as the death toll climbs, UAB is focusing its efforts on another potential vaccine. UAB is at the forefront of a major vaccine trial, testing the ability to vaccinate people with just one dose instead of two. WVTM 13's Chip Scarborough explains why this is such a big deal.
Researchers around the world are studying whether one or two doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine are effective in protecting people against COVID-19. At UAB, researchers have been focused primarily on the use of a single dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine to combat COVID-19.
That's the only major trial so far that is studying a single dose vaccine. And you can imagine that would be huge. I mean, that would be a very, very nice thing to have on our menu of vaccination options.
Dr. Jeannie Marazzo says phase 1 of the trial yielded good results. UAB should know the efficacy of the single dose sometime next month.
It is an adenovirus-based vaccine like the AstraZeneca vaccine. So it's giving people a weakened virus that has the viral DNA embedded in it. So you make the protein, the virus makes the protein, and then you make antibodies to it.
And as UAB waits to hear back on Johnson & Johnson, there's growing concern nationally about the speed at which vaccines are being administered. UAB received 10,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine starting out.
Is the rollout nationally going as quickly as we would have hoped? No. I mean, we've known vaccines were going to be available for a while, and yet, it's taking a really long time to ramp up to get it where it needs to be. And I don't think anyone is particularly happy with that.
UAB is expecting another shipment of Pfizer doses as well as its first round of Moderna doses. It's not clear when those shipments will arrive. In Birmingham, Chip Scarborough, WVTM 13.